So in this question we're given that IgA is bound to this protein, reacts with this protein, and IgP reacts with this protein right here. So we have to identify what will be difference between this Ig and this Ig, immunoglobulin, which means. So they will have different concentration. So, and they will have same variable regions which recognize the same epitopes of an antigen as it's given here to be as B. The IgG contains the heavy chain, namely alpha and gamma respectively, and the light chain, namely kappa and lambda.